Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to convert number to words using Python. So, if you have seen my Java series, I would have converted the same number to words using Java. So, here, guys, we'll see a simple representation. The functionality across the languages is similar. So, now let us see the program. First, guys, let us just take number words. We are taking a JSON value. If it is 0, then we are just giving the word as 0 till 1 till a billion. So we can convert till billion the number to words. Okay. So now let me save this in the py programs. I'll take that as all files. I'll just write number to words dot py. I'll click on save. So now that error will not appear here. Now, once I have taken this all, now I have to let us take the test data. So let me add the test data. The number I am taking 9123. We can change the number for different kind of words and we'll see the end how it can convert to words from the number. So I'm taking a variable word representation and this is the function which we will create in a second. And at the end I'm adding number, whatever the number we gave. Word representation is this end value. So this will be our string value. Okay. So before this, we'll add the convert to words method. So now we have added a method called convert to words, which will take input as a method, which is this number. And here we are adding a simple words array. So at the end it will be replaced. Here also I'm calling one of the function called convert 3-digit number, which will take a reminder value. So when number, whatever the number is greater than 0, we'll take the reminder value of that number. And if the number is greater than 0, place we'll have here to keep a track of thousand, millions, and billions value. Okay. So here at the end, we are returning an output. So let us see this function, convert 3-digit number. So I'll add entire code in the description or in the GitHub page for you to just copy and paste and make sure if you have any feedback, let me know. Now I have added convert 3-digit number. Again, the words will be an array, empty array. Hundreds will be whatever the number you gave. For example, 100 I have given here. So if it is greater than 0, then we have to append like this. And few more conditions. If tens are greater than 0, else if 1 is greater than 0, append with this. Else you can append with this without the words, etc. We will join at the end of this function, which will be called here, right? You can see here, convert 3-digit number. So this one 3-digit words will have this output. Okay. Then this function will continue append this with whatever the numbers you have got in place, which it is greater than thousands. That's what like we are getting this place for thousands, millions, and billions. Okay. Now let me save this. Now let me run this. So now let me run this program. So 9123 9123. Okay. Now if you want, we can change the number. Let's say 12456. So it should be 12,456. It is 12,456. Okay. If you want, we can take one more number. This is a bigger number. Let's see this one. So it is 1,240,906. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new here, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.